Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the invoice logo in Zoho Books. Updating the invoice logo helps us keep our branding consistent, build trust with customers, and make our business documents look more professional. Let's get started. On Zoho Books, we go to Settings. To find Settings, just go to the upper right corner and look for the gear button. Click this button. Next, go to your profile. When we are in customizations, like PDF templates, we will see invoice templates that do not have a logo. To add a logo, we go to our profile logo in the toolbar. Let's go to Settings and Profile. Click this option. Now, upload your organization logo. Upload a logo. For example, select this logo. When finished, just click Save. Wait for it to load and apply to all templates. Go back to Customizations, then go to the templates, like Invoice. As you can see here, when we preview, we now have a logo in our templates. All templates now have our logo. You can see our logo here. That's how we change the invoice logo in Zoho Books. After uploading the new logo, always preview your invoice template to make sure it displays correctly.